Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Let's jump straight into it. Is LiveGood too saturated? All right. The LiveGood opportunity, as I'm making this video, is blowing up right now. The company is only 5 months old and they have over 300,000 members. And there's tons of videos, everybody talking about, LiveGood this, LiveGood that. A lot of people are making money with this opportunity, but at the same time, a lot of people aren't making money with LiveGood, right? And there's a lot of people, and if you're watching the video, you might be like, yo, I'm thinking about joining LiveGood. I want to make money, but man, I feel like it might be too late, right? Like, I don't know if it's worth my time, my energy. And the truth is, I'm gonna tell this to you right now, it is not too late to jump into LiveGood and actually start making money with this opportunity. And I'm gonna tell you why. All right. First of all, even though a lot of people are talking about it, if you in the internet marketing, affiliate marketing world, it feels like everybody is talking about LiveGood, and it feels like everybody has already joined LiveGood. But to be honest with you, a lot of people have not heard of LiveGood. And I say this because, I'm in the internet marketing world and affiliate marketing, all that stuff. So to me, I'm like, damn, it's everywhere, right? But you have to understand with, only 300,000 people joining so far, right? And the numbers to be projected into the millions in the next few years is predicted to be millions of members. Like 300,000 members right now is absolutely nothing. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely nothing. And if you are in the United States, I want you to think about this. If you're watching this video, there's less than 50,000 people in the United States are members of LiveGood. Damn, did I say that right? What I'm trying to say is, only 50,000 people are from the United States. That's what I'm trying to say. And that's, if you really think about the United States, only 50,000 people are signed up to LiveGood. So what that tells me, and it should tell you, is that this opportunity is not out there yet, right? A lot of people have not heard of LiveGood. So getting into this opportunity, you do need to be aware that if you're trying to get into this to make, the big money, right, then you're going to have a plan. You're going to have to take it serious. Really get into LiveGood like, yo, this is my side business, side hustle, or my full-blown business, however you want to take it. Just make sure you're serious, because if you get into this thinking you're going to make, I'm trying to get like $5,000, $10,000 a month, and you get into it and you don't do anything, then you're probably not going to get that much back in return. You're not going to reach the goals that you think you're going to get, right? Because I ain't going to lie, I have seen heard from several people that are members of LiveGood. They're paying their $9.95 a month to stay active, which is cool, right? And they're not doing absolutely nothing with this opportunity. They're not promoting it. They don't talk about it. They just pay their $10. And there's two reasons why that people are doing this. The first reason is they just lazy with this opportunity. They're not doing nothing with it. They just don't, right? They just don't want to. They have no effort. They have no passion. They just don't do it, right? The second reason is because LiveGood, which is pretty cool, the fact that LiveGood make it where you can actually earn money by not recruiting anybody or not selling any products, right? They make this a possibility. And actually, if you can do nothing, if you decide to do absolutely nothing, you can actually earn up to $2,047 a month. Because if your matrix fill in from spillover, and how you get spillover basically is the more people enter the company, the better chance you have of getting spillover. That people are just going to start falling into your team, into your matrix, right? And if yours fill up, you can earn up to $2,000 a month, and your ass ain't do nothing but pay $10 a month. So a lot of people are doing that. They're just like, I'm paying my membership, keeping my fingers crossed, hoping I can get spillover. Now, another theory with that too is, guess what? Some people are going to pay their $10 a month. They don't promote LiveGood at all. And they might not max out at the $2,000, you know what I'm saying, a month from spillover. But they could end up getting $300 a month from spillover. Maybe $82 a month from spillover next year, whatever, right? Or $1,000. So people have that opportunity, right? That is a real possibility with LiveGood. But with that being said, there are going to be a lot of people in LiveGood who are making $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month. Me personally, I want to be one of them people. I'm trying to get 10 from LiveGood, right? And hopefully you watching this, you one of them people. And I strongly believe that this is a possibility because this company is so brand new and the opportunity is wide open right now. But if you decide to jump on LiveGood, right? Jump on the team. Like if you want to make that 5,000, 10,000, just have a plan. You know what I'm saying? Decide, do you want to promote it? How you want to promote it? You want to do YouTube videos? Do that. You want to do Facebook? Do it. Instagram? Do it. Offline marketing? Do it. You know what I'm saying? Have a plan and you can make it happen because it's all about putting this opportunity in front of enough people. That's all it is. That's it. And there are tons of people out there that have not yet seen this opportunity, and you could be the person that put that in front of them. Do not get discouraged, you know what I'm saying, about this opportunity. Yes, there's competition out there, but I mean, there's competition in everything. It doesn't matter. There's people competing to work at Subway. There's people competing, you know, at their 9-to-5 jobs. So why not? This opportunity is incredible, and this opportunity can help you achieve all your financial goals if you are willing to put in that effort. So if you're ready to get started with LiveGood, click that first link in the description. I would love to have you on our team, Team Diamond, because we are rocking and rolling. We are popping right now. So I will see you on the team.